All right, so we're going on a little snowshoe hike. Oh my God, poo-poo, poo-poo. I brought my drone. I got great news. I've got a new drone, so we're gonna be upping the quality of everything. And actually right now I should be recording in 4K or 5K on my new GoPro 9. So that is because I want to excuse me, gotta up the game on my channel, guys. It's time to up it. We brought snowshoes back in the car because there's freaking no snow. We're up at Donner Lake, kind of by where we used to live at. I think I'm recording. Looks like I'm recording. Oh man, this new GoPro's nice. I don't know what other camera to get. And this one actually I could do, like, have a podcast, and I think it uploads or it streams. I don't know. I gotta figure it out. Little girls is like way up there. Hey, Pinners, come here. This is kind of a cool little spot. Hiking up our trail here. This big ass rock. Oh my God. Okay. All right, we're back. JP Trail since '91 up here in Truckee, California. Yeah. So I wasn't up here till '93, and honestly moved down the hill since then. But anyway, we're hiking. They got ahead of me. The camera was, I don't know why it was acting up. I think I did something. I pushed something wrong. It's kind of slick. Uh-oh, they're cutting. They're cutting. I'm cutting too. I'm cutting too. Go, go. Go, 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 little girls. Go, 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 go. Go, go, little girls. Go, go, go. Oh, Penny's on fire now. Or we can walk this way and maybe we'll see the lake quicker. Train tracks is, yeah. Whew. This should make a nice little edit on the new camera. Going up here, hiking in the snow. Get to see how good this 4K, 5K, what they're talking about. See what they're talking about. Hey, you might be able to see the lake through the trees. The lake's like, it's right there through the trees. I don't know if you can see it. So this is my other drone that I got the practice with. It's not a bad drone to learn. I was just stuck up in that tree, and I'll have some video of that because I think I was videoing when it was stuck. So shit. I got it out though. What do you know? Yeah, I got it all like taped up because I broke one of the landing gears, so I just taped the other side, but it doesn't really, it doesn't really matter. I don't know. That'll be a little clip to throw in. I should have been videoing when it got stuck, but it was videoing, I'm pretty sure, when it was flying, so. Anyway, yeah, my kid's lost his mind.
See that?
I guess there's no in-video options to, oh well. Anyway, I'll be back.
Hookers. Wow, Johnny.
Yeah, I definitely want some menudo. I definitely want some menudo. We definitely want some menudo. I'll probably throw in a clip of menudo into this video. Yes, sir. Why not?
I have menudo on Sunday when I go to Mexico.
Mm?
They do it on Sunday morning.
At Panama?
No. Where my hand lives, they stove it around it.
All right, I didn't do it justice last night, so I had to come back again to Bertha Miranda's. Homemade tortilla flour. Dude, this is the best. All right, we're at this really cool place called the Train Trestles. And we're just hanging out. I'm gonna try to fly the drone up and around the train trestle because there's no trains coming and it's really open up here. Penny, get over here.
Penny, come here.
Penny, get over here.
Go in there?
No. Hookers, get back. You're going on the deep zone, Hookers. Get over here. Oh, Penny Whoop. Penny, get over here.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Shit. It's dying. Luke. Shit. Don't move it.
Hey, don't be careful, Luke.
Hold on.
Sweeties, be careful, please.
Lean back on your heels.
I guess that was a good crash because I forgot there was the landing gear on it.
God, sweeties.
Don't go down there, little girl. Don't even think about it.
No.
Took a photo.
I took a picture.
Buddy, come here.
Here, sweeties, you can stop your camera.
Saved it. Battery died. Lost control. Okay. That's okay though. I don't think it got hurt. All right. I think we're all done for this video session. It's pretty cool up here though. Let me I got some video with the drone looking into the freaking tunnel. Penny, don't get in that snow, it's all dirty. All right, I'm out. Late.